All right, so in the last video, I explained how your child is going to get into their email account and check emails and write emails. We'll be doing pretty much that's it with email in fourth grade for the most part. And so I just wanted to make sure you were aware of how we were going to use it. Um, the first thing you need to know is that we are not going to be using it to send fun personal messages to our buddies, only because your inboxes, your children's inboxes, are going to get really full this year really quickly with messages from me, with updates from their Google Classroom, any kind of project sharing we're doing with partners. They're going to have a lot of emails. So I'm going to ask that your children reserve their kind of fun, hi, how you doing emails um, for whatever other system you have in place for them to communicate with each other. So we'll try to leave our emails for school related things. So this is what it looks like on my son's email inbox when we sign on. And I did kind of go over. Whoops, I did it. If you hover, it's gonna open it. I kind of went over real quickly these two Google alerts that you're going to get because you've signed on to a new Chromebook, and those are completely unnecessary to worry about. But the third email, which I am going to open, is your invitation to whatever cohort you're in to access the Google Classroom. And this is a really important first step. I don't know if I'm going to get to this or not the first couple of days. With cohort A, I only have them Tuesday, so I don't know if we'll get this far Tuesday. You might have to help your child with this at home if they need help figuring out how to use it. They're not going to need it for this week, so I'm not really worried about it. I can probably get to it the following week on Monday and Tuesday, but I just want to be clear about how this works in case people are really eager and get on Chromebooks and start clicking away. This is an important email. So this is what my son Luke got for his class invitation to join cohort B Google Classroom. He's going to scroll down. He's going to see that his teacher has invited him to join cohort B, and that's exactly what he's going to do. That will load for a second. And I apologize for that glare. And so now he's ready to roll. He's right on Google Classroom. He's in his cohort B Google Classroom. And you can see that there is one message for him right here. Welcome to fourth grade. And he's ready to go. So just to kind of revisit, he would click join in that email that he gets from me, and that will take him directly to his Google Classroom. He shouldn't need a class code. He shouldn't need a password or anything like that. If your child's already logged into their Google account, their school Google account, then they will have immediate access to this. Again, don't forget this little Google app symbol. If you click on that, that can take you to all the different apps that we use. And you can't see what I just did. So sorry. Let me do that again. Okay, so right here, this is the Google app symbol. If you click that open, it shows you all the different apps that the kids have access to, and that's another way to get to different places as well. So if if Luke were in his Google Classroom and he realized he needed to send me a quick email, he could just click there and get to his email real quick. And he's already logged on. Okay, so that is how to access or sign on or get on to your Google Classroom to initiate it for the beginning of the year.